y'all the introduction. But y'all niggas know what it is. Y'all niggas know. F.O. motherfucking E, nigga. 2 motherfucking deep, nigga. Won't play. Q-way, nigga. Boys, nigga. For life, nigga. Let's get it. I remember back on the block with a sack full of rocks for the rubber band knots. We was heading for the top, round the clock non-stop. We was running to the walks, steady running from the cops. Keep it coming when you're not. Got them jumping out they socks when the clip up in the clock. Ain't no stunting in the trap, boy. We all got the drop and we all let them pop. Put them pistols in the air, get your rifle. We don't care. We don't plan to play fair, live in the flesh. Royalty, loyalty, nothing else. But no matter how I pop off, I'm gunning by myself. Now that the game got the lock off, I'm climbing up the shelf. I ain't gotta sell records to work with what I'm dealt. I represent the town, records with royalty help. For all my niggas in Broad Palms, we the last one left. And 3 things for certain, 2 things to expect. I maneuver the movement, I maneuver the depth. This year, you gon' remember what I said in this motherfucker. Even when a nigga dead in this motherfucker. But for now I'm getting bread, staying on my hustle. Yeah, my mama said that I stay in trouble. You gon' remember what I said in this motherfucker. Even when a nigga dead in this motherfucker. But for now I'm getting bread, staying on my hustle. Yeah, so fuck the feds for my dead brother and my big cousin. Can't holler at me. When I was young and no money, you threw them dollars at me. When you was ducking and dodging, running from Vice Squad. Before the nightfall, Granny had me in the yard. That's why I thank the Lord, stand with us through the times. No longer little boys, grown men on the grind. Sometimes life's hard, I tell you I'm doing fine. I think everybody plotting on me to drop a dime. I think everybody riding, so I ain't even with you. That's why everybody popping and we don't see you niggas. A bit too late to stop it and I'm reaching figures. I gotta keep me a piece, the heat seeker killer. Yeah, my city don't freeze, scope, X, dope, weed, anything you need, holla at the foe. See, I ain't in the mainstream, but continue getting cream with the pick and roll. Low post, give and go. I remember on your blocks in the drought and the post. Up in your hood, you was trying to sell them soap. So I don't know what's going on with your hoes. I was doing what you're doing right now. I wasn't broke. Now I do my own thing, trying to own things, get your own change, and stay in your own lane. You's a fuck nigga. You niggas so lame. I don't even know your name. I get it to your blood raw from the show me game. Royalty nigga. Show me nigga. You know how we do it. All day nigga non-stop, man. We gon' run the management nigga. I'm gonna show me gang. I just told you. Show a nigga better than turn up the eye nigga. Let's go.